Hey guys, welcome to another video of BIMmatics. This is part 2 of our 3 video series, that is a Revit Structural Model from scratch. In part 1, we have already covered how to set up a project and also placed structural columns. If you have not seen that video, link is in the I button or check the link in description. So let's begin with the part 2 where we will cover how to place foundation and also we will create structural beams. Topic 1, Structural Foundation. In this video, we will learn how to provide foundation according to this project. And in this project, pile foundation is used. So for that, you will go to Structure tab, go to Isolated, and from Properties tabs, select 2 pipe pile cap, which is over here. Just place it anywhere. See it from top view. We have to adjust it. So in this project, we have 2 types of pile cap. One is of size 1200 by 500 by 300, and its pile is 375 mm dia. And another pile is of size 1000 by 500 by 300, and its pile size is 300 mm dia. So according to that, I'll create pile cap. So for that, just select your pile, edit type, and you can duplicate as per your preference. Now I am already having 1200 by 500 by 300 size. Now here orientation of pile cap is different. So to change its orientation, just select your pile cap and press space. It will match your orientation of CAD file. Just move this from selecting this corner to this corner. Now you will see its pile cap is matching. Now after that, just copy it by selecting copy option from modify tab and place it below another column. Duplicating our 1200 size pile cap to 1000. So for that, just go to Structure tab, isolate it, press it here, select this pile cap, click on edit type, click on duplicate. You can rename it as I want 1000 by 500 by 300. Okay. Now I'll change its dimension. Press OK. So its size is changed. Now change its orientation by pressing space. Just move it from one corner to another corner. Press tab to get corner and select it. Now it's adjusted as per CAD plan. Now you'll see that piles are not adjusted. Now for this, you will need 300 mm dia pile. Just go to edit type, and in here you will see pile type. Select 300 mm dia, click apply and click OK. Now the size of file is OK. The location of file is not OK. Click on edit type and change clearance. I'll try it as 200. Now it's perfectly matching. So now just copy paste this pile cap, our plan. So this is how we'll create a pile foundation of our project. Topic 2, Structural Beams. To create beam, first of all, I will be going to floor plan view
From this project browser, we will go into plinth level. Now here we will be creating plinth beams. In this project, plinth beam is of size 230 by 300. And now go to structure tab. Here you will select beam, and for RSSE beam just load family. In use matrix select structural framing and concrete folder. Select rectangular beam and press OK. Now beam of size 400 by 800 is selected. Now create a beam from this column to this column. Now you will see that its actual size is 400 by 800. From edit type I will change it. Click on duplicate. Rename it 230 by 300. Press OK. Also change the dimensions. Width as 230 and height as 300. After that press OK. Now you see that size is met. Now it is not adjusted properly. So select align. Now your beam will not move anywhere. Similarly, again go to structure, select beam and select 230 by 300 beam and create another beam from this column to this column. Okay, similarly carry on the beam creating process from this column to this column. It is a simple process, just a 2-click process from one column to another column. Now this beam is not adjusted properly. The same function we are doing is of align. From modify tab, select the location of line where we are to move our beam and select our beam. Simple. Again select beam, select our 230 by 300 size and do the same from one column to another. Again this center of column to this column. Now this center to this center, and from here to another column. Again from this corner to this corner. Now for this inclined beam, select our beam, look at its center of column, look at another column center. The inclined beam is created. Now we will see in 3D view. This is a beam which we have created. Now for identification, we will name each beam. Suppose these all are same size beam. We will give them a name. In this properties tab, just go down and in mark, give its name as PB, that is plane beam, and click on apply. Similarly, for first floor, second floor beam, go to first floor. Now we have to import a new CAD file for first floor plan. So for that, we will click on insert, click on import CAD. We will select our first floor plan and click on open. A first floor plan is imported on this level. After this, we will apply beams at this first floor level. As we have created beam at plinth level, Similarly, I'll be applying beam to first floor like we had applied on our plinth level.
So till now, we know how to set up a Revit project and how to provide structural elements like structural column, beams and foundation. In part 3, we will see about slabs and staircase. So for that, subscribe to our channel and share with all your dim friends.
See you in the next video. Till then, take care.